welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. This is my Long Beach Half Marathon series where I take you through my training all the way up to race day. This is update number 6 of the series. If you want to check out the previous vlogs, I will put the playlist in the description below as well as up in the corner right here so you can check it out after this one. This week we will check out weeks 10 and 11. So let's head on to week 10. No matter how many times I do it, I don't like hills. We are going for 8 miles.
But it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely
calling. I love the weather this morning, but I hate hills. Week 10 is now completed. The weekday runs, we bumped up the mileage just a little bit to 2 5-mile days and 1 3-miler in between. For this week's long run, we pushed down the mileage just a little bit down to 8 miles. It felt pretty great and didn't really have to pause as much as I normally would. I would have to attribute that to the great weather we've had this last week with the hazy, overcast mornings. Like I said, don't really like the heat, not much of a morning person, but we'll get the job done when needed. Definitely recommend strength exercises, yoga, cycling to supplement all the running that I've been doing. So if you're gonna do any long distance running, give that a try. Alright, we got 3 weeks left into training. I can't believe it's coming down to the wire, but here we are. So let's head on to week 11. taking a bit of a grayish turn. Not what I expected on a lunch break, but I guess the smoke from the northern central California wildfires has made it down to LA. Wow. Cool. Crazy. Just got me a nice little 360 camera, so we're gonna give it a try on tomorrow's long run. It's gonna be fun.
Got a little lost in the possibility.
Alright friends, week 11 is now completed. The weekday runs are pretty much the same as week 10 with 5 days, and the long run this week we had 8.5 miles. This past week we got pretty good with the weather, so I'm very appreciative of that. My legs are feeling pretty good, still doing the strength exercises, stationary bikes and walking, as well as some stretching and yoga. We're less than 2 weeks away until the big day, and I'm really nervous and excited at the same time, but looking forward to crossing that finish line. I did just get me the new Insta360 One X2. It's a 360 camera, so I've been using my GoPro Hero 9 this whole time I've been training. So here, you just, I can just hold it up and just keep running and focus on the route. So I will likely be using this on the day of the race. You've seen some of the footage already on my last long run this past week, and so far, I really like it. So still practicing with it, which is great for these next 2 weeks for me to get used to it and then just, adjust accordingly. And with that, I will call the update here. Thank you so much for joining me on my half marathon journey. I really truly do appreciate you all coming back here each week, checking on my progress and coming along with me on my adventures. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely will have more adventures, training runs, and races coming up, so you don't want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.